The Druva Data Security Cloud is a 100% fully managed SaaS solution providing robust data protection and cyber resilience for your VMware environments, no matter where they are. New strains of ransomware specifically target the hypervisor and data stores. It does you no good if a legacy virtual machine, in charge of all your backups, lives on the very same ESX cluster that was attacked. How do you even begin to recover? Druva provides a unified and secure solution that is air-gapped, immutable, and decoupled from your VMware environment. Onboarding is simple. Deploy a proxy virtual appliance, register your cluster, create a policy, and within minutes begin protecting your virtual machines. Data is encrypted in flight and at rest, leveraging all of the latest compression, global deduplication, and change block tracking technologies to create incremental forever backups while saving on time, bandwidth, and storage. Gain visibility into the status of all your VMs and whether they're configured for backup or not. Create auto-configuration rules to scan and automatically apply the appropriate backup policy to new VMs, saving time and ensuring VM protection isn't forgotten. Virtual machines running Microsoft SQL can be configured for both application-aware backups as well as the entire VM protection, giving better granularity for mission-critical database instances. With unlimited scale, you can consolidate the data protection of multiple virtual environments and manage it all with a single pane of glass. Detailed reporting is available on demand or as an email subscription. But maybe you need better context or information. By leveraging Druva AI, our powerful generative AI backup copilot, simply ask. For example, list all my VMware backups over the last week. That's a pretty long list, so let's have Drew give us an in-depth analysis. Here we can look for anything that we should be concerned about, and Drew will even suggest steps to take for remediation. Druva provides more than just backup and recovery options. It also gives a complete security overview of your virtual machines. With the rise in cyber attacks targeting backup data, Druva provides a secure platform with zero trust, role-based actions, and MFA to make sure that a breach in the production environment can't spill over and damage your backups. Even if somebody accidentally or maliciously deletes VMware backup data, Druva's rollback actions provide another last resort for recovery. With built-in anomaly detection, you'll be alerted to abnormal data patterns such as mass encryptions or deletions within a virtual machine. These unusual data detection warnings could even act as an early warning sign of potential issues. You can see the length of time it has been happening and even download logs to find exactly which files are impacted. Whether due to a cyber attack or just a new published list of indicators of compromise, Druva Threat Hunting can verify there are no malicious files inside the VM backups. VMs can be scanned for known indicators of compromise, and backups can be quarantined, allowing admins to stop the risk of accidental reinfection. And when it comes to restoring, there are multiple options depending on the scenario. Restore individual virtual machines in place or to another location. Choose between full VM restore, individual virtual disks, or even files and folders. For faster recovery times, leverage Druva Cloud Cache, an on-premises virtual appliance keeping copies of recent backups locally for faster recovery. Verify the instant restore and automate the migration back into production with just a click of a button. In the case of a cyber recovery, use sandbox recovery options to recover the VM to a clean ESX environment, isolate the VM, scan for known malware and ransomware, and guarantee a clean recovery before bringing the VM back into production. Your VMware environment runs your company's critical infrastructure. Trust in Druva to deliver simplicity, security, and savings when it comes to cyber resiliency and recovery.